Isana da hula haku noro husudo hula haku nara hadala. Suhuda hala haku doruhuna tathadak tak tudulu tara. Hikana nun hura hala hak suhudo hula haku nara. Truly I say this to you. Instead of using your own brains to think, you've been stumping it. Humans, every time you say something to me, my books open up of who you are, and then I'll tell your sins over your past lives. Do you know why? This is the final judgment. A final judgment as your books, which as your names are written in my books, it opens itself up. It floats in front of me on my side, and it shows me what's written in there, what I have wrote in the very beginning. From the first time you were born, firstborn, on earth. You know, humans? Instead of you using your brain, not saying anything, you choose to open your mouth because you have your brain over your foot. This is why you are called the dickheads. You know? Why? Because instead of using it and not saying anything to anyone, because it is end times, humans, and you think you are still living a life that was from before? Humans, this is my last read for you, as I have more, but you have lost. Use your brain and say nothing at all to anyone. Because every time you say and open your mouth, you keep opening the calamities. And every time you open your mouth, it adds up to the book of where your sins over your past lives, through all your past lives, it opens to me. You think because you can move, you are right? You will call somebody this and that? Because you can eat and can cook, you think you won't die? You'll think you die. And that's it, you're in there, die. You know? Without your spirit, as it will be too, will be killed. You know? This is why I say humans. If you knew the mystery, what I've been talking about, that my God the Father and the true King have hid, you won't and not open your mouth. You won't take things that are not of yours. You won't say anything to anyone. Because I am the measurement of judgment and the book of life. Once you open your mouth and call me name, you have condemned yourselves. And I have damned you. You know why? I am Jesus Christ. And humans, use your brains instead of putting it down there over your foot and stepping on it all day long. You think you are clever? Once he comes, you'll be dead. Once the apocalypse happens, what will happen next is judgment. Judgment after a year of the apocalypse. And that you will never live again. As with your spirit, you will be just kicked off. You know? Do you understand what I've just said, humans? It seems to me you are stupids and you call me a yikers? Indeed, yikers means rude. And hold on to my rude that is like of a fish. a rod for a fish. See if you can hold on to it while it's stuck in your palm, trying to get out from the fire where I will send you. To keep you from calamity, you should have keep your mouth shut, as this is the end times of the parables.